Okay, Mexican-American War Part 2. The war is going to end. Our standards really you don't need to know anything about the war exactly, specifically. You can go on YouTube and find that out. But the war is going to end. Mexico fought a very, very, very hard fight, and they had the guts and the grit and the determination, but we were just too much industrialized for them, and they couldn't handle all of our technologies, which is basically guns, to fight back and actually win. So the United States is victorious. It's going to end with the Treaty of Guadalupe Hidalgo. Now, in this treaty, it's going to be specifically written what is what and who gets what and all that good stuff. So it's going to establish that the Rio Grande is the border. You can tell by the disputed area that it actually looks the way it does today. They're going to ceded, which means they gave. Mexico is going to give us New Mexico and California. USA is going to pay $15 million for the following: the Mexican secession, we're just going to pay the following. And then we're going to, basically the Mexican secession is going to be states which are Nevada, Utah, Arizona, Colorado, and Wyoming. No, parts of Colorado and parts of Wyoming. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Whoops, I forgot the A in Arizona. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We got 7 states out of this whole war. Now, we are going to also have to pay for the Gadsden Purchase. We were building a railroad, and we noticed that there was one little small piece of land at the end of California that we needed to make the railroad, Transcontinental Railroad, complete. Mexico owned that, so we're going to pay for the Gadsden Purchase too. So we get a ton of land. We make Texas a lot bigger. We create 7 states from the land that we get from them, and we get the Gadsden Purchase. And so we basically cut Mexico in half. So real quick, as a review for the Mexican-American War. The road to the war is going to be Texas is going to win their independence, the border dispute problems, and Manifest Destiny. President Polk wants to complete Manifest Destiny, and he needs to do that. He needs to get Mexico out of our way. So he's going to kind of pick a fight with Mexico, and he's going to purposely put troops in the disputed zone between the Nueces River and the Rio Grande River. The United States is going to recognize the Rio Grande River as the border between Mexico and Texas, and Mexico is going to see the Nueces River as the border between Mexico and Texas. Polk is going to literally put troops inside there to make them mad and to make them move in, and when they move in, we declare that our territory, and we're going to declare war. Now, we do it on purpose because we want that to happen. So war is going to end. They fight. War is going to end. The United States is going to be victorious. The Treaty of Guadalupe Hidalgo is going to be the determining factor to end the war. Rio Grande is going to be established as a border between Mexico and Texas. They're going to give us Mexico and California, and then we're going to pay $15 million for Mexican secession, which includes Nevada, Utah, Arizona, Colorado, and Wyoming. Now, the secession also includes New Mexico and California, but I don't want you to get confused. The reason why I didn't put them in here is because I don't want you guys to get confused and say we paid for them. They didn't. We got these 2 from them. And then we're going to pay the Gadsden Purchase. So the Mexican secession is all of these together, but we paid for this and we got these. So that is the Mexican-American War.